Yo you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have a look at this shower head. It's already installed because we're still on our not so great format. I'm sorry about that, but still we wanted to share some videos, and as you can see it's pretty interesting. It has all these filter balls inside. There's different ones to make the water as good as possible. So interestingly enough, and you can actually see through, which is an interesting touch as well in my opinion. And then the shower head itself has different options for the water sprout that's coming out, so we'll have a look at that as well in a second. So this is what it looks like when it's on top, and I would say we should just see how that performs when we turn that on. So let me get that going in a second here so we actually have a better idea. And then this is like one of them. We have, it's like this smallish thick um, beam of water that's coming out, then we got a little fine line just like that, and then also a classical one. That's, at least I call it classy. So yeah, kinda this is what you can expect out of this. And yeah, I will see you around the next video. My name is Badger. Take care you guys, and I will see you around in the next one. Bye bye.